One day I take it up on my brain, so I go try cut a oxtail bone.
You have machinery?
Brother, oxtail bone mash up your kitchen, you know. Yo, your knife done. Your knife.
Brother, there's no tougher bone on the planet.
Brother, a oxtail bone, a probably Thor hammer or
sure.
Captain America shield is like as strong as an oxtail bone, brother. Oxtail bone and Captain America shield.
Man, I don't know what make you feel like, cause you probably need new knife and them things.
Brother, me have to get new things. Brother, me have to go get new, my knife mash up. Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Kaboom!
Kaboom. That elephant man.
A lot of people did kaboom, huh? Bounty, that was the Bounty kaboom.
Kaboom! Yeah, Bounty used to do kaboom too.
But I feel like Elliott also did kaboom for a little while.
It have a kaboom!
Kaboom! It does have like a Elliott vibe to it.
All of them man, they know have visa, you know.
Crazy, right?
All of them man, they know have visa.
I feel like dancehall is back.
It depends on a little bubble right now.
I feel like it's
well, we're sell arena now.
Brother.
Yeah, we're sell arena now. Hey people, make sure you say like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know. As a matter of fact, thank you. Thank you guys for appreciating our consistency and how much work we are putting.
See la.
And yeah. And if you're not subscribed yet, I have been a watch. This is specifically for the viewer that have not subscribed.
The ghost watchers.
And they're going to leave a comment right now. You have been watching for how long now and you haven't subscribed?
Crazy.
Watch what them are gonna comment. Yo, you know a real thing?
Dog, you know, say 4 years now, yeah, a real dog, you know.
Long time now, I watch you think them in a dog, but yo, see me do it, yeah?
See this. But even know, dog, but even know if I do them something, you know, I just watch what I watch, dog, whatever.
Jaja. As a matter of fact, what you think we are the know that we never did do back in the days, what we should have?
That we should have?
Yeah.
I mean, I see some upgraded technology that I feel like should have been done a long time ago.
Well, we should have done that long time.
Yes. Specific to Jamaicans. I say we finally figure out how to upgrade the tin cheese.
All right. Well, brother.
Finally.
So we upgrade the cheese tin.
Finally.
Using the can opener and beat the side of that thing. No. We are get regular cheese.
Yes.
I feel like we can do that with corned beef now.
So, all right. So, here's what I learned about corned beef, right? We low-key have been opening corned beef incorrectly all these years.
What do you mean?
So, what you're supposed to do, you use the key, right? You
Yeah.
use the key and you do the thing. But what you're supposed to do first is you're supposed to bore a hole in the top of the can. So just use a knife or whatever, just poke a hole in the top of the can.
And what that do?
Bro, once you do that, it somehow affects the air pressure in the can. And when you unravel the key, it just
Me not like that. Me like feel like me I do work.
like you have to fight out the...
No, not even that. I just feel like opening a tin of corned beef is such an art.
Yeah.
Like it's like me I have a delicious surprise. Like you just turn the key.
You have to unravel the...
I say, yo, watch a man. Hey.
It's a ritual to it for real, you know.
Hey, brother, when you see when you go around, I open the corned beef tin, I say, me and you right now.
Okay, let me know if I'm the only one with this weird OCD situation. Do you try to turn the key in a way to make it like wrap perfectly around the thing?
To wrap around the key, yo,
like
yo.
you're like...
Yo, yeah, make your brother, when you see like it a slide off, you say, no,
come. Like,
I want a full, like, round thing.
You want to get it all off one time and then you just... magical.
Brother,
Magical.
you have a last one, corned beef key?
So I used to we used to ended up starting to like try
Save
and
them.
save the keys. Which, if comments, if we ever unravel a bully beef key, let me know. That's a whole other like difficult task that I've cut my finger a couple times doing.
The amount of time I cut my finger out.
Right, that's right.
Brother, the amount of time I cut my finger out open canned beef.
Oh man, it's like opening the canned beef, but I'm like, let me save the key because I have more canned beef. I don't know if
I don't know if me gonna last.
I'm gonna last. Then let me just keep the key. Me I try unravel it and because I already took it off perfectly. So now this sharp thin metal thing slicing my finger is like, but it's so worth it though. I feel like bully beef is like a underrated.
It's salt, though, you know.
Fully. I mean,
your bully beef salt bad, you know.
Say one tin of bully beef supposed to go for 6 people.
Impossible. One
tin of bully beef. Comments? Wanna go look? Wanna go into the kitchen right now and take out a thing of bully beef. 1 can of bully beef is supposed to serve for 6 people.
Let me explain something to you. I never share a can of bully beef in my life. I have never shared a can of bully beef in my life.
You're supposed to share it with 6 people. You are not supposed to have that entire can by yourself.
I share it with me, myself, I, Dale Elliott, baby Dale. You have to share a can of bully beef?
You're supposed to.
First of all, it's a tin of bully beef.
Yeah, tin.
Me can't save a tin of bully beef.
All right, sardine and them things.
Enough time me I cook bully beef and bite actually done. Cause you try to taste it to make sure it done.
Mm-hmm.
By me done do that, the bully beef done, virgin.
Yeah man, half it done gone already.
Because I tell myself, me can eat an unlimited source of dumpling with just this a bully beef.
Just a smidge, just
brother, my granny used so wicked. Now just think about people. No, you remember I eat bully beef back in the days and see the serving of bully beef where you get in comparison to the amount of dumpling and banana.
Why? All right. Why, as Jamaicans, are we so starch heavy? Like why we love 9 dumpling and
because the food have to stretch. Me I learn now. Remember, you know, dog, when you live in a house with a whole heap of people, you know, dog,
yeah,
you need a mountain of rice, you know. Feel liquor drop like that chicken where you get, you know.
So why we never get more chicken? I mean, I guess rice easier for.
No, rice easier
for source. True.
It fully quicker. But even look at how we cook chicken.
Yeah.
When you cook chicken in the dog, just look for beer to potato in it.
Beer things.
Jamaican food carb heavy.
Yeah, man. All the way around.
Carb heavy. We say, cause a Jamaican household will do anything but give you a next piece of chicken. Yeah.
Oh my lord! You can get all the rice you want.
You get a next scoop of rice.
You can get
a next piece of vegetable.
You nah get.
You see plantain and chicken. We nah give you a whole heap of that.
You're lucky you get plantain. You're lucky you get plantain sometimes. So, cause certain people are. Oh yeah, I forget about the plantain pond.
We nah.
Forget about the plantain, you know, man.
We don't know, dog. Dog, y'all go through your stew chicken, my youth. Them give you, brother. Everything. Them give you carrot.
Sometimes
you get carrot, you get sweet potato, you get potato. You just not get more chicken.
Get everything but chicken. You see me? I get curry and it's like 2 pieces of chicken in the curry. Beer, carrot, and potato. And...
You have to search through it.
Oh Lord, man.
That's why I'm gonna buy Kung Pao chicken.
Got beer more while I beer flour and them something.
Brother,
kill it with a flour, you know.
Brother, the Chinese people, let me if you hold on a little bit, dog. Alright, that's Asian food and a whole, brother. You see, Kung Pao are the one where have like peanut in it, though.
Yeah.
Brother, a peanut you buy, no?
Peanut chicken.
You buy a pack of peanut.
A pack of peanut. Peanut and flour.
You buy a pack of peanut. You buy a pack of peanut.
Them serious with it.
A General Tao.
Thing that good for that too, you know. Thai food. Brother. All the Thai food and them I just peanut on top of the food, you know. Just noodle and peanut in the bread.
I mean, I believe peanut for inner food. Fight me. Fight me. Me not care where you be. Pineapple on pizza all day, every day. Do not put no peanut in my food, brethren.
So, is a Russ introduced me to peanut in a food one time, bro. And the Ross make rice and peas with peanut in it. And it never bad, you know.
It not bad, you know.
It not bad.
But me I gotta take out every single peanut and put one side.
Something did half though. You know what I mean? It's like that rice and peas, you know. It no something about this different. Why not this? Boy, it not, you know, say some peanut to put some boiled peanut in there. We put nothing. Yeah, man, like extra protein for go with the peas, you know.
We just are gonna do everything except for just give away. Yo, we are gonna do everything except for another piece of chicken.
No, you just you can get 17 dumplings.
When you can get as much rice as you want, but meat you get 2.
Brother, it's like our proportions are so crazily off. You know, me I learned the other day too. You know what is a serving of water crackers?
Wait, that is
Excel say water crackers, the water crackers. You know how much is a serving?
1 serving?
Yeah.
I just say like 4.
2. 2 crackers.
Yeah, but when them people are say serving, who them a serve though?
I don't know. I mean, and maybe in a for them head it's like that's the crackers with like things on it.
All if a things pan it, 2 1 cracker that's a one. Wait, what me I do that? What me I do that can't help me.
I don't know. It's like I don't know. Jamaica.
No. Comments. Tell me if you used to do this. I was the man where loved tea and crackers.
Tea and crackers.
You never did that before?
I'm used to the Milo.
No, brother. Tea and any kind of tea, brother.
Yeah, I'm used to the Milo.
You see when you're hungry, brother? You see when you dip that crackers in the tea, my youth?
I don't know. I couldn't do the. I can't do the soggy crackers, bro.
What? At them time, brother.
The only time I like soggy crackers, bro, is when we had to like steam fish.
No, brother. Here where you want some mint tea.
Mint tea and crackers.
You want some mint tea with all 12 crackers. Just a pack of crackers side of you. 12 crackers. What the problem? Nothing wrong with 12 crackers. You want 1 mint tea with 12 crackers and just dip 5 crackers in it one time.
That sounds absurd.
Comments. Don't leave me hanging right now. The comments them always save me now.
Yo.
Because them used to do it too, you know. Just don't leave me hanging right now. I know somebody out there do this.
All right, you know, speaking of upgrading, and we are talking about crackers, things that we have now we never used to have. You know what I think is a major upgrade to the crackers game?
What?
Is the cinnamon crackers.
I've never had cinnamon crackers.
Bro, the cinnamon water crackers, do that with tea. Try that with the tea and let me know, bro. Comments. Tell me if you want to think about the cinnamon crackers. It's just a little hint.
I haven't had crackers in the long... Brother, you ever eat... Brother, first of all, me used to put crackers in everything.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Me used to like... Me never eat fish. So steamed fish, me never get it for enjoy. But me put crackers in my stew chicken.
What?
Yeah, me will put crackers in my stew chicken. Because I see it in a steamed fish. Brother... Not nice like some tough crackers. And comments, don't leave me hanging. Not nice like some tough crackers in a porridge.
Oh, that's elite.
Dog!
Elite.
Brother!
Elite. Yeah, man.
Brother, you see tough crackers in a porridge?
Yeah, man.
No.
Elite. It's rare you find a duo as good as the tough crackers
Brother,
and porridge.
cornmeal porridge and tough crackers just...
I'm telling you, man. The only thing that come close to me is hard dough bread.
Dog, it just...
But the crackers elite. No.
Hard
dough bread up, bro. Hard dough bread is a good swap still, enough.
Brother, I'm telling you what me used to do. Brother, me used to cut one bread in a like 12. Yeah, man, me used to get my knife and quarter them out. So me used to put 3 slices, 1, 2, 3, and then me cut cross. So you know like tic-tac-toe? Me used to tic-tac-toe my bread them and broke them in pieces.
So yeah.
And sprinkle them all over. All over my porridge. So me I get 2 bread and cut up them in some communion slice.
Yeah.
We used to have the communion slice, you know? One, you know, like a white bread?
Yeah.
Cut up the white bread will come in the red and white bag. Yeah, man, we just cut that up. Cross,
Boom.
bam, bam. So now me have 12. So me have 2 bread. Me get 12 slice. And me just drop them in the porridge. Yeah, man. And then we make the porridge.
Like
you know when the
soak
porridge
it up
hot?
like a bit, yeah.
No, but you know when porridge hot.
Yeah.
And then it cool down.
Yeah.
And it add a little mesh thing there on the top.
The little skin.
Yo, you see that? Yo, Jesus Christ! Yo, you see the skin for the porridge?
No, here's the super key now. You have it in the little brown bowl, you know. The little, you know the bowl me attack, the bowl with like it light brown with like a little brown ring.
Oh.
In the middle. The porridge bowl, man.
But you know, most of the time, porridge bowl are any like bowl type. Because,
true.
yo, you see the skin?
Yeah.
I best part of porridge. You know?
Yeah, man, cause
You have to go round. Hey, you see, when you stay so now, you start skim round. Pan the skin, you just have to say, all right then, let me just chip off piece, go round. And then now the middle part, you scoop it.
Yeah.
One.
I always just, so my thought process was always like, all right, we're going to skim off the top. And you just go and do that, it's like it heal back.
Yeah.
it's like over your side heal back while you go and deal with right here. So and then once you get back and you just repeat the process. Sometimes I need like a more bread or more.
Brother, me did like porridge. Brother, me used to love when porridge get cool. You see when porridge cool and it tough now. So now it just a wiggle, like look like jello.
Yo, people,
like jelly.
People low-key sleep on that part of the porridge.
You know, me I go make some porridge. Me need to make some porridge. When me go home tonight,
make some porridge ASAP.
Tonight, me I go in right now and me I go make some porridge because me need porridge in my life. No.
All right, favorite porridge. Comments. Let us know your favorite stuff. Favorite porridge.
My favorite porridge are peanut porridge.
Peanut. Mine. So my favorite is Amini. Like Dominican porridge.
Peanut porridge.
I know a lot of people don't like Dominican porridge, but
me don't mind the peanut. Not the peanut. So
Amini.
your peanut porridge, Dominican porridge, banana porridge.
Banana porridge is underrated.
You see,
for sure.
You see banana porridge, dog. Dog, banana porridge.
You sleep on the plantain porridge, you know.
Plantain, banana, peanut, cornmeal, Dominican.
Cornmeal legendary to me though. Cornmeal is like
cornmeal are the go-to porridge.
Yeah, cornmeal is like the goat porridge.
Cornmeal are the easiest porridge to make at the time. You know what else? Which porridge people sleep onto?
Oh.
Rice porridge.
I've never done rice.
You never
porridge.
have rice porridge. Is the next one, you know.
So the closest I've done is like the little pudding them. What am I call it? Tapioca.
Oh yeah, the little thing them will come in like 6-pack.
Yeah,
4-pack. 4-pack them when you buy in a supermarket.
Little, you know what I mean?
Brother, porridge.
But we never do rice porridge yet. So it's like, so literally like porridge, it's
just porridge with rice tonight. As I said that, me I go home, me need some porridge in my life right now.
Is it like you're making rice, like I make white rice and you just do all the things that you do to porridge?
Basically. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it out.
Trust me. Porridge is me not make porridge in so long. Yeah, me I start make my porridge again. Me feel like me ready for porridge now.
Every 2-3 weeks, me make porridge.
Brother, porridge used to be my breakfast every morning, you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Staple.
oats porridge.
Oats legendary.
I never ever remember oats porridge.
I feel like oats.
Comment, which porridge are we leaving out? I feel like we are left out of porridge.
Oh, yeah, we might be leaving out that. Yeah, make one know, please. Oats, I feel like oats is such a legend. It don't even in the porridge conversation almost. It's like
because we can do other things with oats.
Yeah.
We used to just mix oats with like milk.
And just
milk and oats.
Just so you can just leave oats for soak and just
brother. Wait, you know what used to hurt me? I used to look on the cornflakes box them and always used to see like cherry and banana and them thing upon it. And then when me buy the cornflakes, me don't see a cherry or a banana inside.
You know they got sued for that. I believe. Like at one point, they had to like adjust that.
Yeah, me tired like man.
They had to make it say like this is not included in the Like, this is just cornflakes. It's not, the banana and toppings are not included. Like, they had to put the word in on the boxes.
Brother, yo, the thing used to piss me off, you see my youth.
So, you know what's crazier to me? The fact that I tried it and then I was like, this could I do without this? I feel like cornflakes bad by itself. I don't know if I didn't need...
The dumbest thing ever, why the cornflakes name red or white? It's a yellow cornflakes.
It's just the brand name.
We name red and white.
Red and white.
What? There's no red.
Yo, just red and white.
There is nothing up in the cornflakes with red.
I just that it name. Just red and white.
Brother, I'm telling you, me was a milk-a-sour, you know, dog. A milk-a-sour, brother. You see, when we use brother, all the different type of Alaska, them dog.
You ever try cornflakes with other types of milk?
Yeah. Me try it, brother. Me not think you understand. Me never fortunate feel like can pick and choose. Whatever did it, brother, me eat cornflakes and sugar and water already. As long as cornflakes.
Which is not bad.
Brother, I'm just hungry.
It's not bad.
I'm hungry, and at the time, that did it.
Yeah, are you a dry cornflakes person?
Like just I eat
Just
them.
cornflakes?
Them people if just got jail.
Criminal behavior.
Brother, you see if you eat may I hope the camera see me right now. If you out there eat cornflakes with no additives, not lock you up. You forgot jail.
Just cornflakes in a cup.
Just eat. All right, now you see if I want special kind of cornflakes,
Yeah.
you might can get way. But normally, if me I eat cornflakes alone, me hungry and me not have an alternative.
I mean, here's the thing though. Cornflakes, I feel like, have gotten better and like healthier over the years.
Yeah.
Do you remember an ice cream? Do you remember a cornflakes named Cookie Crisp?
Yeah.
All right. I don't know if did you ever try the original Cookie Crisp?
No.
Brother, Cookie Crisp now is a cornflakes, like a cereal. Like it's like a puff thing with like chocolate, like little bits of chocolate on it. Growing up, for me, Cookie Crisp was literally a box of cookies. It was a box of chocolate chip cookies.
I'm turning it into cornflakes now?
No, it's a cornflakes, but it was sold as cornflakes before. Imagine, all right, Cookie Crisp was like...
Imagine you throw that out in a plate of Oreo.
That's
like a plate of Oreo.
That's what it was. It was probably the most unhealthy cereal you could possibly give a child. And it was like, yo, Cookie Crisp, and the thing is like, yeah, it's cookies. Imagine a bowl full of Chips Ahoy and milk.
I would love that.
That's what Cookie Crisp used to be.
Brother, me love like Reese's. Brother, me couldn't explain. You see, because, dog, you see, when me younger, we just couldn't afford name brand cornflakes. Having name brand cornflakes in my house was like the Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Like, there wasn't a time when my grandmother come home with some honey bunches of oats on them. Me used to just watch. Brother, me used to watch like the nice cornflakes commercial them on TV and just be like, one day me I go eat the cornflakes. Yeah. Me could.
Yo, we gonna try Special K whatever.
Brother, because in my yard, dog, my grandmother is going to carry home red and white.
But you know what's so crazy?
Or raisin. And I used to love the raisin brand cornflakes.
I feel like raisin brand get a bad rap. Yeah,
people like, never like it, but me, brother, me did love raisin cornflakes. Me not care what nobody says.
I still like it. No, I mean, only people just anti-raisin though. Them just not like raisin.
Raisin not for there, not anything. But brother, me just remember how me used to just bleach and dream. Like, me remember going to my friend's house and him have cornflakes.
Yeah.
And his mother would have be like, yo, yeah man, you can't go eat cornflakes. I said, me can't go eat the cornflakes. Me?
Oh, you have Cheerios, dog?
You have you're rich.
Dog, you have Cheerios and crazy. Real Cheerios is not
brother, me used to look on that and gauge like if people have money, you know.
Yeah. You know, all right.
Got one dog outside, me see dog have the taste the rainbow cornflakes.
Tricks? Tricks? No, Lucky Charms.
Brother, me never have Lucky Charms growing up. Me that lucky if me see Cheerios.
Yo, you know, it's what used to be like the heights of luxury snack to me. If me go over your yard and you had Lunchables,
the little small thing,
little small thing with the little Ritz crackers with the little,
you know, so you make it.
Bro, you live in a
the one with
different life.
Brother, the one with little cheese on the side.
Man, the little thing of cheese, the little thing of meat, and the little crackers, and you get like brother, 5 of them.
If me, you think of that, if me as a little youth, if me go your yard and see rice crisps, you know, me there Bill Gates. A Bill Gates. No, I just Bill Gates yard. Me link Bill Gates now.
Me never know say I saw no have it, bro.
Brother, no, me there Bill Gates house and a reason with Bill Gates because clearly you're rich now. Yeah. And you never tell me say you're rich.
Facts, cause me never know that. No, me have to go treat y'all different now, cause me the think say, although me no know, cause you clearly have it. And you didn't hide it from me.
So, you never tell me say you're this rich?
Yeah. Rice Krispie, the Snap Crackle, the cereal we talk. Serious, man.
The cereal we talk to you?
That's crazy how the music advertise it to us. You know, like,
brother, me tell you, me don't know. Brother, I designer cornflakes, them the dog. And me never have designer cornflakes growing up as a child.
It took me a while to really realize that Rice Krispies was really rice, you know. It took me a long time.
A real rice?
Yeah, it's rice. Bro, it took me so long to accept it. It's rice, you know.
No, no, a rice. A rice?
Rice. Regular rice. They just fry the rice.
And sweeten it with honey.
Sweeten it with honey and them something there. I was like, this can't be right. Probably like a cornflakes where them say it look like rice or whatever. I was like, no, it's real rice.
Brother, me know me grow up rough because me never get like a straight condensed milk and powder milk there in my house. You know. Me never
like cow's milk and
me never, you mad?
Mm-hmm.
Me never open my fridge and see cow's milk.
Mm-hmm.
You crazy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
no, man, my granny have the Lasco them and she said, Virgin, me watch the Lasco too.
Oh, try no.
Try no say.
Don't open the fresh pack neither, you know. One up there open already.
Brother, my grandmother used to hide the condensed milk. Me couldn't find it. Me I look feet. That not in my house.
Done. That no, yeah man. You put it up for when she want to make her.
Brother, me remember one time me find a pack of Lasco in my grandmother's room where open and every day me a pick pan it and it got done.
Jaja.
But guess what?
She don't know say you know.
True, she don't know say me, so she can't ask me because no, if she go ever find out now say me know where the Lasco there, she don't want to tell me. Me know where the hiding place of the Lasco there, yeah. but it's a look away for hide Lasco from me.
Yeah,
so no, she not like a pickle where.
Like the two now watch each other.
Me I wonder if a dealer eat off the Lasco them. Alright, who eat? No, me can't go ask the about Lasco, you know.
Deal, you never see one Lasco under the. So now, if she ask you, she have to go move the hiding spot.
No, she can't.
It go sound away. You hide the Lasco from the pickle.
No, she can't. No, she can't go ask me about no Lasco. So now me winning from the get-go because because if she set up herself, I fear her fault. Because no, all right then, me idle Lasco ya so deal can't find out. So if it are done, me can't go ask deal and say deal where the Lasco there. Because deal don't know nothing about no Lasco.
Him not supposed to know nothing about the Lasco.
And if you ask deal don't know nothing about no Lasco.
Yeah, cause why would you ever admit to that?
Especially when she have like some of the time, you know. My grandmother will have some good hiding spot. And it's like, when me find out about the hiding spot there, she have to go find the next hiding spot. So what go on now is, she not sure if me find the good, she don't want to go look for no more good hiding spot.
She don't want to burn any of her hiding spot them already.
Exactly.
Jaja.
Till she just start put it in her drawer and just lock it.
It's just like, all right, if it, make we see if it going to disappear now. Jaja. Favorite Lasco flavor?
Big man thing, me not lie. The old faithful vanilla.
Yeah.
Peanut punch is a piece, is a...
Peanut punch up there. For me, strawberry are the goat. I like the strawberry one. I don't know. A basic, I know.
Brother, I'm not even that. me remember just... Delicioso! Delicioso! That is
Speaking
nice.
of that, you remember Chubby?
Chubby.
The magic one. Yo, Chubby, I feel like Chubby was like soda at the right serving size of what soda should be.
I feel like Chubby, the two soda for liquor pitney. That thing is, brother, yo, me never find the man in the world right now where can drink off one whole Chubby and don't belch.
Oh, absolutely.
You're belching
Some big belch.
as a pitney, you have some big bells with the Chubby, brother.
Judge. yo, being a child was crazy. Remember, you used to have chug the Chubby them. Either that or, you used to drink Capri Sun.
Yeah.
Bro, we used to race to see who could have finished a Capri Sun.
Brother, me used to like try flatten it out. You know when you're done and you stay so.
You want like a cat.
You want yeah.
That was like the achievement. Like if it doesn't.
If you're not fight for take the straw out, right?
Yeah, you didn't. There's more in there.
There's a Capri Sun really can't done. There is really more in the Capri Sun, you know.
There's more in there.
There is more. We have to like a search for the juice part in the Capri Sun. We have to
fully. Yo, things them. I feel like as kids, we were just left to such crazy devices to just like, this be our food. You know what I mean?
Like this is our kind of food.
Yeah, man.
Outside of dinner,
yeah.
This is where we
This is
survive,
desired
fun.
food. Like, brother, the amount of times I have been saved by a bully beef sandwich. Just a little.
Brother,
remember the bully beef sandwich I cut like a crossway?
once and cut it to us at Iguana school.
Yeah, man.
You know, brother, you know when them used to got me?
What?
When me get the cheese, the blue cheese. Brother, I'm rich. Brother, when me have blue cheese, nobody can't. Me rich. Me rich with blue cheese, virgin. Mad blue cheese.
What? Yeah, man.
Because it used to be between bully, you know, them used to put like a little party pack of bully beef.
Yeah.
With a little white bread. Yeah, some with white bread.
Yep.
Some with brown bread.
Yeah.
some with cheese. Some with bully beef. Oh my Lord.
Yeah, man. Get wrapped up in a
little white plastic bag, you know, little and give you one. Oh Lord.
Those were the best, bro.
Brother, when me I go primary school and all that, me remember when them have that for the whole class, you know. And me done the whole of that, you know. That for me alone. Me done all of that. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing of mine.
I remember one time them want to do they were trying to be fancy and them like start add food coloring to them.
That's what I say. The little blue one.
The blue cheese with the red one and it's like, oh man, look a cheese sandwich them, you blend up the cheese and add the little food coloring and then you just wrap it up on hard dough bread. You want it liquor cold. You want it like liquor cold.
Tell you, when things did simple. That was like primary school food.
Yeah.
High school now we start going out big man food. We want patty and cocoa bread all day, every day.
All day, every day. Patty and bun and cheese.
A patty and cocoa bread is actually like the national food, you know.
Absolutely.
The national lunchtime food in Jamaica is a patty and a cocoa bread.
So I've always said that really I think the patty should be the national dish. Right?
No,
I know
crazy.
it sounds crazy.
That's
It
crazy.
sounds crazy to be fair, right? But it's like, bro, the patty has done so much for Jamaica.
Enough respect to Aki and Saltfish, you know, but
Aki and
big man
Saltfish
thing, Aki and Saltfish.
could never, bro.
Nah, me not lie. Aki and Saltfish, on a big man level, Aki and Saltfish not all that, you know.
It not all that,
Enough
bro.
respect though.
Like,
Enough respect, but you know all that, brother. You know.
Them have the legacy, them have the heritage, them have the story. You see me?
Brother,
them have the respect.
Yeah, I'm a national dish. You know, me have to praise. My national dish is everything, but big man thing, it overrated.
It not do with patty though, bro.
Me never hear nobody say, yo, John, Aki and Saltfish are the greatest thing known to man. But I'm a national dish though.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to respect my national dish, but me
love it.
Me don't even like Saltfish.
Yeah, can you not eat?
No, me not eat saltfish. So it's not like a plain aki me eat. Me don't know only eat aki with other things.
That is so crazy to me. You just aki and dumpling, bro. Just aki and rice and...
Brother, aki and dumpling and can it with pepper, the maddest thing. The maddest thing.
Comments, make we know. Is that weird? Aki without saltfish? Is that weird to y'all? Because it's weird to me.
That not no weird about that. Not weird about that.
To me, that's crazy. But couldn't eat just salsa aki, bro.
I personally think that is good. Aki,
Yeah.
aki, black pepper, you know. Probably cut up little piece of tomato in it and, you know, little
tomato, bell pepper and them
sweet pepper here and there. And them are good.
I don't know, bro. I mean, to me, I guess because I've been so used to it, and you're probably just gotten used to aki, and so it's like you're used to that.
Brother, I'm telling you, eat already. Brother, me put like sausage. Cut up sausage in my aki.
Okay, so you know what they like aki and chicken back or them on there?
No, I never have aki and chicken before.
Bro, aki and chicken back.
Brother, you know me long
It
for.
up there.
You know me long for, and this I gonna bring you way back some seasoned rice.
Bro, so make seasoned rice the other day, you know?
Brother, seasoned rice.
Oh, bro. Seasoned rice is legendary.
Anytime when seasoned rice will come here, I know my granny not no money.
Yo, it's such a good dish for something where nothing in there.
Yo, anytime when seasoned rice make me know say John no hard times right now.
Hard times right now. But it's like I'm conflicted, right? Because I don't say
everything in that pot of rice there. You know?
Everything.
No meat. The
No
straight
meat.
seasoned rice.
You see me? Just, yeah, man, season up. It's spicy. It have some green peas in there, some carrot and some corn, and, you know, you might get, you know, some aki and thing in there, but that's it. You know what I mean? If you want a piece of chicken with that, you're out of luck.
Yeah, you're not get no chicken with that.
You never...
Me never have seasoned rice with chicken. If seasoned rice have chicken tonight, that is now officially chicken fried rice. A chicken fried rice, that no.
You'd never get seasoned rice with anything, bro.
No.
It's always just a thing of rice.
Let me tell you, seasoned rice are for when the meat in the yard, virgin.
Yeah, man. Just put everything in the pot and make sure it well seasoned up and bubble up and, yeah, man. Good to go. You even not gonna miss the rice. You even not gonna miss the meat.
Brother, I can tell you when me know a time out. When me know a time out, seasoned rice, you don't even get, I want the only food where you can't serve too much rice.
Yeah. Facts. Facts. Like, all right, get a 2 scoop and you're like, yeah, man, that good.
You can't take too much rice with seasoned rice, virgin.
Got to pass some hot dog in there and all kind of something in there.
You get everything.
Like a piece of bologna and all kind of something.
No, not bologna. Bologna and a pork, virgin. You just say you don't eat pork.
Me not eat pork. I don't eat pork anymore.
Oh, you used to eat pork?
You used to eat pork.
No, sir. Yeah, can't do it.
No.
Madness.
You've never had pork before?
As me say, only time I can recall me ever having pork is like a burger and I don't know what's a bacon in it.
Okay.
Then when me find out me that shit right.
Okay. Me used to eat pork.
But somebody tell me say like regular pork don't even taste like bacon.
No. So I'm gonna say comments. So no, let's be adults, all right?
Yeah, now go come. Oh, them two Rasta
Yo,
man
them two Rasta man talk about. Let's be adults, all right? Let's get it out of your system now.
Me know, but one thing, me know you that try pork already though. Me sure.
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
Kinda.
You kind of guessed it.
Yeah, you know, like wow.
What gave it away?
Oh God.
But back to the viral, you know, rest them talk about pork. Bacon is like, because a different cut of pork. So bacon is like the belly, like pork belly. And it's just pork belly cut in.
So like the belly of the beast.
Yeah. Yeah, literally.
When me can wrap my head around as a non-pork eating man, dog, jerk pork look and smell so good.
Now, as somebody who used to eat pork, jerk pork is delicious. Jerk pork is phenomenal.
Because me never taste jerk pork yet, but when me see them and make it my youth, me used to be like, John, oh, that look nice, but grandma said don't eat pork.
Yeah. And it's good because, here's the issue with pork too. It's very like bacteria heavy. So it's like something that really, unless you are cook it yourself, you don't want to eat it from a bag of people because it's very easy to get you sick. There's
Brother,
a lot of
my
parasites and to get it.
me see somebody pour like liquor upon it and
all the worm them start.
And worm come out of it.
So, I mean, that happens with a lot of meats still.
Yeah.
Cause that you can do that with fish and get the same kind of response too. But the issue with pork is that certain people don't fully cook them food. So you're running a risk of ingesting the parasites that haven't been like fully cooked out. So
pork is something where like
you're supposed to eat it well done. Like
roast pork.
Yeah. So that's why jerk pork's are good because like it's fully cooked.
Brother, I used to see people all the little fat off of the pork. Like that's a part of the meal.
Bro, there's right now, you're not gonna notice because you not eat pork. Bro, I remember me shocked when I first moved to America and see them selling bags in like a snack bag of pork skin.
And that is a thing?
Yeah, bro, you can go any store right now, and buy pork cracklings and it's just fried pork skin.
Well, I say pork crack.
Pork cracklings is what it's yeah. Comments. Bro.
Yo, so you know so much about pork, Crooks?
I mean, I know so much about pork.
You get well excited since you start talking about pork. Like you reminisce on the pork.
Question, I'm answer.
No man, you reminisce on the pork at too much, man.
I mean, it is nice. Pork nice. You know, I don't judge people that eat pork.
Me either. I don't have time for that.
You know what I mean? But I mean, as somebody who used to eat pork, I get it. You know what I mean? It's like it's good.
It have a vibe. It have a
vibe. I'm not gonna knock you and say, yo, you fit do it. Like, yo, it tastes good. Just don't live on it.
Damn.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
That's actually crazy.
Yeah. I'm very non-judgmental. You know what I mean? And I understand. We've all have lived experiences.
With food, though.
Yeah, with me, food, yeah. I like to experiment with foods.
Me long for probably a good patty and a cocoa bread where me I talk about where the patty I drop out of the bag, the beef part, and it a bun me, and me go so.
Yo, it's long time I don't get a patty where. You remember when you used to get a patty and like you halfway through the patty, all of the beef in at the bottom of the bag?
That me I talk about, man, when me I draw the beef, I me I save the bag. Me now dash out the bag because the beef in the bag.
All right. See it now. Do you remember saving all a big piece of patty crust? Just for kind of, you ever did that? Like just for get the rest of the beef just, where in the bag. Like, just kind of scoop it.
You know you're greedy though.
Just scoop it.
You know you're greedy.
Hey.
I can say to this day, I've never had one patty before.
Never?
No, like 2 to 3 patty.
2 to 3. Me greedy. But you've never had a single patty. People, more than you know. As much as Dale love run the fat jokes, you know. Dale has just been running for the past. How long have you been training in your life?
Like exercise?
Yeah.
All of my life.
Dale has been training his entire life. If y'all were to compare the caloric intake of me versus Dale, you would be absolutely surprised.
Yeah, man, me eat one heap of food, man.
Yeah.
You know, like, me used to eat 2 patty and a cocoa bread.
I don't feel like I could finish 2 patty and a cocoa bread.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
3 patty, as me
like
say.
In a day maybe, but not in one sitting.
No, one go. That is not even difficult. Me no, not gonna come at me. Hey, comment, so not gonna make me feel away, you know.
No, I see people that clad 3 patty one time already.
That is like a normal patty serving. Me don't feel like there's nothing wrong with that. What's wrong with that?
How is that a normal patty serving?
That's a patty serving.
3.
3 patty.
3 patty and a cocoa bread?
Some if needs be.
If needs be is crazy.
Brother, let me tell you something, brother. I want thing with the toughest of the party, you see a jaw corner right there, so dog, you see when you start go so. Your mouth out.
Yo, seriously, when writers don't build up, you know, man.
Brother, you have the strongest jaw corner them. Your jaw corner them tough. When you're done with the party, them, brother.
Swear. Yo, are you a fan of like the experimental patty them? Like cause one time it was just like chicken and beef and them.
The only patty when me would have tried when me see people have is actually oxtail patty.
The oxtail patty. I don't know. I'm not a fan of anything oxtail that's not like
regular oxtail.
Like for me, the whole purpose of the oxtail is being on the bone, and if it's not on the bone, like to me, it's like you could have given me anything. You never have to do oxtail with that.
I would rather boneless oxtail.
So then you would rather a chuck roast or steak or literally any other cut of beef that is not as expensive as oxtail.
No, yes, so oxtail don't taste like regular beef though. The tail tastes different from the other part of it.
Yeah, because you cook it differently from the other parts.
No, even if I cook regular beef like that, it now gonna give me the taste.
It absolutely would.
No.
You just never cook. All right. Have you ever made stew beef and make your stew beef sit down on the stove for 4 hours?
Yeah.
And it don't taste similar to oxtail to you?
No, it's like it disappear. You have to fight for find piece of beef because it just
because it mush out.
Because the beef gone completely.
Facts. But if you treat it the same way, say you cut decent sized chunks and you brown it and do the same thing like you do with oxtail, butter bean and all of that in there. Practically the same thing, bro. A beef in a dog.
No, not really.
Especially when it shred out, not really, but when it shred out to the point where the oxtail is supposed to fall off of the bone. If you get to the point where it's falling off of the bone, it could be any kind of beef.
That's why, anyway, funny, always, if you want to test if a Jamaican restaurant good, you order oxtail.
Yeah.
Because, you see if your oxtail tastes like chew gum,
yeah.
You know how much chewing gum oxtail me try? Jamaican restaurant, me go and sell me chew gum, sell me Wrigley's.
Yeah,
sell me Wrigley's in a foam box.
You can't even do nothing with it. It's either that or the gravy long and it just
gravy enough for too long.
Yo.
Oxtail if you have broad bean virgin. If me have
I feel like it have to.
If oxtail not have broad bean, you know, give me oxtail.
Yeah. You're making something else. This is not Jamaican oxtail. If it not have broad bean in there.
No.
Like, as we just talked about, if you're not giving the extra, the broad bean and the carrot and
how you pronounce it too. If you say tails, you know, no. Oxtails.
If I go somewhere and they say oxtails on the menu,
I'm leaving. If it say oxtails, I'm out of there.
All right. Can we clarify certain things for the big up the tier 2, tier 3, right? Let's set some ground rules for certain things. It's oxtail.
It's not oxtails.
Not tails. You're not eating multiple. If you've seen the how much come in a tail, it's one tail. There's really one tail. That's why it was oxtail.
It's not even one tail. It's a piece of the tail.
It's a piece of the tail. You're eating joints of the tail. These are not individual tails that you get.
Hey, yo. You know what's funny? One day I'm going to take it up on my brain and I'm going to try to cut an oxtail bone.
You have machinery?
Brother, oxtail bone mash up your kitchen, you know. Yo, your knife done. Your knife.
Brother, there's no tougher bone on the planet.
Brother, an oxtail bone, a probably Thor hammer or
sure.
Captain America shield is like as strong as an oxtail bone, brother. Oxtail bone and Captain America shield.
I don't know what make you feel like, cause you probably need new knife and them things.
Brother, me have to get new things. Brother, me have to go get new, my knife mash up.
It's done. You is a skill. It's a skill. If you, all right, I made the mistake one day and buy a whole tail.
Oh, without cutting it.
Without cutting it up.
Without cutting it with the machine.
Brother, I had to carry it back. I literally had to bring it back. Cause me I try to find the giant them. I'm like, all right, maybe we can't find the giant them. And me I cut, bro. I was like,
yeah, waste this, you know.
Yo, might as well, unless me I go fling this on the grill.
Like this?
So, me I have to carry it back and ask them to cut it up. Cause me can't do nothing.
You know what the problem with that?
Oh.
everywhere in the state like Jamaica, and like you have to like drive go back.
Fully.
Like you take an hour out there, you know, I drive got the tail place.
The tail.
I drive got the tail place. I know you look soft because I know you got to this man and say,
yo, you can cut this up.
I know you're shame. You're like a child.
I'm gonna buy this from you. You have to explain yourself.
Brother.
Right? Yo, I'm gonna buy this from you earlier today. And yeah, you can just cut it up for me, but the mean for ask if I cut it up.
Brother, two things me lose when me try cut oxtail by myself. Me lose my meat board and me lose the knife.
Yeah, man. Gone. Cause you can't get the knife. If the knife stuck in the bone,
It's done.
It's over. it's over, bro.
Brother.
There's no amount of strength where you're gonna use for try
it
broke
done.
it out. No, that's over.
It
Cause you might broke the whole blade.
Brother, the bone indestructible.
Yeah, man.
Brother,
Diamond.
watch out. Any bone at all. Any bone where you can leave under extreme heat.
Mm-hmm. And it's still, and no, it's just tougher.
The bone is
It's just tougher.
the bone, there is no soft. How much heat you have to put for your oxtail bone weird on?
The only thing I've seen is where affect oxtail is like if you're putting out one pressure cooker for like a 4 or 5 hour. I mean, but by then you barely have nothing.
So wait, the bone, but
the bone gets off.
The pressure cooker soften the bone?
Bro.
I throw a crack pot my bin always I used to.
Bro. You know, it's dangerous. But one day try make some oxtail in a pressure cooker, bro. When you're done, the bones, the bone of the oxtail soft. The issue is that the bone of the oxtail soft.
I know an oxtail again.
No, it don't even feel like oxtail again, cause the meat mushy and
no, I mean, I want that.
You know. But you know, if you want something that would finally affect that,
brother,
that's the only thing.
I remember trying to bite a oxtail bone. Look almost me lose my teeth, brother.
Mm-hmm. And it's like it have like
soft places in it in a way you can chance.
It have soft spot like the little marrow part them sometime, but it's like it also have like them little sharp part them where like them fight your back. It's like it have its own defense. You see what I'm saying? Like it's like you have to know how to approach it, cause you might try bite piece and they just stab the roof of your mouth and
I know it's stuck up there.
yeah, no, it's like
I know you can't do nothing, forget it out, you know. Now you have a piece of oxtail bone in your mouth.
It's funny, it's like careful, you know, cause if you try move this, you know, it's a teeth that gone, you know.
No,
brother.
You have to approach oxtail with caution, man.
Serious, man. I feel like oxtail up there with like the great Jamaican foods. You see me? It's one of the classics. I just feel like Aki and Saltfish get this hype where I don't know.
Because I national food, me I tell you, like.
But how did it become the national food though? Like how, like
somebody
who decides to that?
Somebody just say, yo, here what? Everybody not like this. This is what we are gonna make. Cause nobody not like we. Well, not really.
But is it? So you think it could potentially be a thing of?
We could have make it be something else. Me not like. Me did prefer something else.
But you think they were like, yo, there's nothing more Jamaican than this?
No, but we have to stand out. You know them way that because occupy is not, you know.
Yeah.
If you don't cook it right, you know.
Yeah. So it's like something that only a Jamaican could make.
Yeah. We have a cousin named Aki, you know.
Yeah.
We call him Aki because him face black and him body yellow. Big man thing. Him face black and him body yellow, so we call him Aki. Aki did carry me go thief goat.
Yeah.
Aki carry me go thief goat at Manchester already.
Wow.
Yeah.
You see how Jamaican people wicked? It's just like, you look like a Aki name, you know.
You just name Aki.
Judge, have him good name with him parents.
Man have him proper name.
You know. That's Aki. Aki a name now. I don't know.
I feel like we have to keep up that tradition though.
What? The Aki and Saltfish as the...
I mean, it unique.
It's unique.
Because look, Belizeans have them own version of oxtail and rice and peas.
Yeah.
And them love that. You know, them fight me out what they for black dinner, but me nah take it back.
Yeah, them call about 5 people call me and say, yo, talk to your bridge, you know, cause see my this the black dinner, you know.
You know what I mean?
And
like,
I looked at it, I was like,
you know what I mean? Like, one, all right. Some people say, you know, we have managed water, we have a big goat head in it.
True.
People say managed water are foolishness. You just miss out. I am just missing out on black dinner.
Would you try it?
No.
You're not like,
And that
you know.
what people don't understand with me, dog. Dog, me not try new food. Sorry. Me's not the new food tryer.
I feel like you've hit your limit on like the foods where you like, and you're just like, yeah, man. I damn ya.
Brother, me I eat chicken, beef, salmon.
That's the only fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Chicken, beef, salmon, dumpling, rice.
Eating salmon and not eating saltfish is crazy to me.
Salmon don't really have no smell.
Oh, it does. Okay. You're one of those people that don't think fish should be fishy?
Yeah, brother. My youth. Me go through with fish in a dog.
Yeah.
Me remember my grandmother carry me go marketing in my youth. And me I walk through downtown and step over fishing in my youth. And I just fly. And when me see people at scale fish, chip, 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 chip. I'm say all the friggin' thing I'll fly for me. Scale all fly for me. Dirty nasty fish come out for me. Come out for me, man.
You know, so crazy. I feel like fish is like, seafood in general now have like this elevated cuisine vibe now.
Why everybody feel like you ever scroll through my IG now? I show me beer seafood bowl.
Yeah.
Are your fault in me? Did you share a seafood bowl or something?
No,
every
so.
scroll is a seafood bowl.
No,
I'm allergic.
People love a seafood, the seafood boils.
It just look like a pot of soup to me now.
So it's all right. It's literally what it is. Them just boil a bag of seafood with potato and corn and them something there. And that's just it. You just pick out where you want to pick out. If you like crab, you pick out the crab. And if you like shrimp, you pick out the shrimp and right. The only thing that's not in there usually is like actual fish. So it's usually just all like
it's a shellfish. It's a shellfish bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they call it seafood bowl and a freshwater shrimp. That's some freshwater shrimp.
I can't argue that.
You name it seafood with freshwater shrimp.
No salmon in there. No, there's no fish in there at all. No snapper or nothing.
Me used, because the thing is...
You never eat a snapper yet? You never eat that?
No.
Eat snapper?
No.
Dang.
You know what's funny? So, me like shrimp. I'm used to like thing there. But every time it mash me up wicked.
Oh, you're allergic?
Yeah.
So you used to eat pepper shrimp and them something?
Love it.
Pepper shrimp is
brother, yes sir.
legendary.
Brother, yes sir. Brother, I used to buy all 3 bag of the red one, them, you know, dog. And go sit on one side, you know. All me eye water run out of my eye, me I say. Crack all the...
Yeah, man.
Brother. And then after that, me get a warm feeling in my belly. My eyes swell up. My grandmother now come to me, Dale, why you keep on do this to yourself? My grandmother used to cry when you see me do it.
That's like, little boy, you can't eat them something.
Like, you're not supposed to eat this. Why you try to eat this?
Jaja. That make me want to make some pepper shrimp. No.
See?
No, pepper shrimp legendary still, you know. Pepper shrimp legendary.
Yeah, me just remember like a dirty crab at Jamaica. The man them a catch like I go crab bush. You ever hear about crab bush?
I hear about it, but
man them come back with all 4 crocus bag of crab.
Yeah. I used to be
land crab.
I used to be terrified of crab. Like so my uncle, them live in New York, them whenever they would come down on vacation, you know, they'd go and do all the little escapades that they want to do. One day, my uncle forward back with a big crocus bag full of crab, bro.
Yeah.
And me with my enough self. See the bag I move, and I wonder where in the bag.
And go look.
Oh, Lord. So I'm going to turn over the bag, man.
Brother,
the house full of crab, bro.
Yo, fine. Yo.
Dog, them catch about half of them.
I'm sure the community vex. Crab there everywhere in a Portmore.
I'm gonna take them no. No man, them time that Havendale will live.
That's even worse.
Them time that Havendale will
That's
live.
even worse because
So
there's
there's just
no
random crab in
Avondale.
the street.
Random crab in the Avondale.
In the
Crazy.
street. So the house where we used to live was like beside the gully, like the same gully where run go cassava piece.
We run through everything. That gully they used to run past my yard.
Legendary gully, you know.
Sandy Gully.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sandy Gully run through everybody's house.
Bro, the crab them, so we have a little drain where we run into the gully. So the crab them used to just slide through the sun and
Gone.
drop down upon the ledge and then just crawl out. I was like, yo, bro, for like 2 days. Beer crab. Like, I'm about the place, bro. I'm afraid for the nothing. God, them just I crawl. One of them pinch me on my toe, bro. Upset, fully upset. From that, like I had to. It wasn't until I became an adult where I was like, all right, me
used to love watch.
try crab.
Me used to love watch when them about to die.
Yeah.
Yeah, me used to
Flick
love
them in the
watch like
pots.
when you catch them and put all of them in the pot and them
Yeah.
and them they even know. Cause no, when they in a pot, you know, them they put it, then they wait till the water boil, you know.
Yeah.
Then put them in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then when the water start boiling, and you drop all, oh Lord.
Yeah, man.
I see them I try to run for mercy.
No. It's over.
And you see the thing is some of the time, you know, when you see color start changing, you know them are dead. You know? But some of the
Yo,
time you
you're
will have that. So what you mean? No,
Yeah, I'm still dark, you know.
no man, can watch it. Some of the time, you know, dog. Some of the time, can watch it. Some of the time, dog, it's like them have the crab them in night, and then you will think say all of them dead, and when you lift up the lid, one and rise up.
One of them I tried.
I said, no, nigga, you about to die. You about to die. Go back down in here. You're gonna die now.
Yeah, man.
No, you're gonna die.
You just stir him out.
Yeah, man. You know that? That's right. Call for your mama. Call for your mama. That's right. Go. You go. Call for your mama. Love that.
You go night. Go night.
Yeah, man. Start seasoning.
Yeah, man. Terrible.
Start seasoning.
Terrible. Just, is it me? Like a all-purpose and thing upon them. Boil them out.
You're
Fling
about,
some scotch bonnet in there.
you're
Yeah, man.
gonna die.
That's crazy.
You're going to die.
I'm
Nah.
glad that we're a set of creatures that don't have to like.
Nobody now. We not depend nobody. We not really depend about the food chain.
I'm so glad we're not like that. There's not a higher intelligence that's like, yo, you ever try a human
Brother,
soup yet?
we are just not on nobody's food chain.
Oh man,
Thank God.
thank God, because the amount of experiments and things where we do, I couldn't, bro.
Because basically, them, where like science basically a show, we like we can catch like any animal and cook it, you know.
Yeah. Once we know, I mean, certain things, it depends on like the amount of like a particular nutrient is in it.
Did you know? Did you know that sharks don't like the taste of humans?
Yeah, so I've heard. They actually don't like humans.
What? Oh, we know that. Why we know that? How we know that?
When I first heard that, I was like, yeah, man, sound like something a shark would say.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
like
That's
a shark. Come on, that not give me no confidence.
Yeah, like, oh, that's supposed to make me feel better.
That not give me no like, yo, me I go swim with this because you know like how me taste.
Yeah, man, so it's safe. I'll if me have a little cut. You know, them not like human anyway, so we're supposed to all right. You
Just
know
like
what I
come
mean?
here and say, bull can't see color. Bull only see red and white.
I hear it says red and white, and I hear it says more the movement.
Trigger them.
Yeah, than the actual color. But I don't know how true that is. Can them say dog can't see color neither?
Dog can't see color?
So them say,
Oh, them know that.
that me want to know.
So them probably test it out, you know. Dog have whole heap of sense, you know.
Yeah. I mean, to a degree. Them can, I feel like they just have a different, like.
When me want, oh, me never hear nobody at all. Oh, me never see no dog in the Bible.
Good question.
Brother, me never see
good
dog in
question.
me never yet like see no dog in the Bible though, like dog, actual dog in the Bible. Me never hear anybody and German Shepherd shall.
Were we? I mean, them the breeds that we know as dog now is like
Mech.
Yeah, they're all made now. But
I feel like the only real dog is a mongrel.
yeah, and even that to a degree is like that is a culmination of a bag of different breeds.
Brother, mongrel not get no love, you know.
No love. I feel like the mongrel is like the Jamaican dog.
National dog of Jamaica.
Like Brownie. You know, when you think how Brownie look, that is a Jamaican dog.
And apparently a mongrel is just a mixed breed dog.
Yeah.
A dog will mix up with too much things.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of different breeds together. Which is like natural. Right? That's what's supposed to kind of happen.
A mongrel is like a mulatto.
Yeah. Yeah. Literally.
And you Natals, please don't make that look like me like anything. No.
Let's be adults.
Can't bother with them foolishness, man.
Yo, you have to always like.
It's like me just said that a while ago, and it's like me I say, wait, somebody.
It's like somebody are gonna be like, bro, so the history of the mulattoes from slavery was, the mulatto was actually like a social standing, cause you had the mulatto and the mixed breed, and the mixed breed is actually an offensive term that you use in there. I need you guys to be careful and do some research. Some research before you talk about things where you don't know.
True. That's so. Anytime we talk something we don't know, just enlighten me, please. Enlighten me,
please. You don't have to cuss you out. You see what I mean? But that's what a mongrel essentially is. A mixture of all of the dog them. But them time there, like biblically.
Never hear the Bible say nothing about that.
I feel like we're probably still like working with like wolves and them something there. Maybe. Depending on where we're there too. I don't know if them have dog at Egypt and them places.
Where are like wild wolves? Russia.
I want to say Russia. Like the Americas.
So wolf in America?
Yeah, man.
I run wild?
Yeah, man. Wolf and coyote and all of them something there. If you go certain place in LA, I'm surprised you don't see a coyote already.
What is a coyote?
A coyote is like a small dog looking. All right. The typical howl that you think would, that's a coyote. Coyotes is who do that.
A coyote make howl noise?
Yeah, they're famous for howling noises.
So a coyote is not a dog?
Kinda. A coyote is a dog in the same way that like a wolf is a dog.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But it's like you wouldn't say that a wolf and a Frenchie is the same thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But the kind of.
Let me tell you what me ever see in America, like natural. Me see possum.
Mm-hmm. Possums are scary for animals that play dead. I feel like if they did. I feel like if they did have more confidence.
Yeah, the people are afraid of them.
If the possum had the confidence of a raccoon, it would be unstoppable.
Raccoon a man.
Yeah, raccoon is a literal brother. Like, I'm surprised they don't speak English.
Raccoon stand up and look for you, eh, boy.
Yeah, they will fight, and they're strong,
Raccoon will like talk to you,
Yeah, fully. Like, they will come, dog, go and big up, everything good. Have on glasses and thing. You see me? Them have bridging with them power with.
Go for him friend them and come back.
Facts.
Raccoon are the only animal and ants.
Yeah.
Go for them friend and come back.
Yeah, and then come back and raccoon will just rob your whole garbage bin and you know what I mean?
You say, watch out. Hey, you see when we come back? I can mash up your garbage.
I'm not even left nothing in this for me star. It's like they
now
really.
If I eat them, I eat and raccoon just come out for just mash up garbage bin.
Yeah, fully. They're determined that they're gonna go in there. Them no business what kind of mechanism you have.
Them are gonna make it.
It's crazy because the more like companies try to make like pest proof like garbage bins, is the more humans have difficulty using those things.
Can't even open them.
It's like, all right, this is so a bear can't go into your garbage bin. But it's like, you can't go into your garbage bin.
The one that will like lock automatically. Me say, me just lift it up for put it. When I look at a lock back, me say,
like, hey,
me not lock this yet. Hey.
I wasn't finished. You know what I mean? It's like, I want to put all right, so you say possum.
Me say possum, me say iguana of Florida.
Yeah.
Me say possum, iguana, raccoon, alligator, or crocodile. Which one of them me say? Because there is one day Jamaica and one day America. crocodile. I think they are America.
I think a crocodile is it. Me no.
Crocodile. I think a crocodile.
There's always
Comments.
like
Comments. A crocodile or alligator. Cause to me, them look like the same thing. But you know, people say.
There's always some little difference where they're like, yo, if you look at them thing, you can't. But it's like the
one have a nose and something.
Yeah, man. One of them nose big, and the next one.
Because an iguana is just a big lizard.
Yeah. You know, them eat lizard. Them eat iguana like a certain country, and like. I remember when I watch and see them make a bad curry iguana.
Brother, you remember them camouflage lizard there?
The geckos.
But that's a TV. What the lizard them used to...
TV.
No, man.
Chameleon.
The hardest lizard them for kill, man, was like, music call them like the godfather of lizard.
Yeah, where I thought the chameleon them used to change color.
The one them can change color and them things.
Yeah, man, chameleon.
I never that. Yo, people.
I have to be the chameleon, bro.
A grung lizard. Me just remember what name. Grung lizard. You see, grung or croaking lizard.
Croaking lizard.
Brother, croaking lizard used to in your house.
Yeah.
And you used to see it. And them lizard, they're mysterious.
And then when they make the thing with them.
All lizard have that.
Yeah?
But you have the grung lizard and the croaking lizard. The croaking lizard are the one where in your house. Where just up there. And it just have like a cream look.
Yes, yeah.
And it just now move it and watch it. You're not afraid of it at all. The lizard they just look by you so.
It's like a salamander or something. One of them.
And then you have the king lizard or like the grung lizard. Cause me a man, me kill all the lizard now. In my life.
Yeah.
Bingy and lizard, oh Lord.
Oh.
But there is just something about trying to catch that grung lizard.
Cause them fast, you know.
Brother, and not even that. I just the color when the man them catch a tree and just go so boom. It used to shape like a rainbow. It have a rainbow color like a rainbow color, and then it goes up. And
brownish type.
So watch a style like boom.
Blending. Can't see me. Gone,
so
gone.
hide. And then him gone.
Up. You see me? Skill still, you know. Lizard them, you know. If you can't escape them way there. Bro, imagine you could have changed color. For escape.
What is it?
Imagine you had the ability to like change your color.
This is going to be a very dark humor.
Yeah.
There would be no slavery.
Facts. Be like, who, me?
The whites are coming. Wait, Columbus.
Columbus. Whoop.
Blend in my side. Look natural. Yeah, man. Just change color.
Hello, sir. It's like, what?
What's happening here?
What's happening here? You know, just changed entirely. Yo, you know what I think we're as far as like with animals, you know, there's certain things that some animals do that I feel like we are taking it way too lightly. Like, I feel like the fact that parrots can talk is crazy.
Yes.
Like, that's insane.
The fact that a parrot can be like, where you go?
Insane to me. Like, English words? Like, what are you, like, how this not a, this is magical, bro.
Oh, not, yeah, like, like, parrot can talk, you know that?
There's animals that can talk. Them can sound like you. Birds, they have birds that can sound, that can imitate you. That's crazy. Gorillas can learn sign language.
No, gorilla can learn sign language.
Gorillas can learn sign language. You can teach a gorilla sign language.
And sign back to you?
And it will communicate with you.
Tell you what them want?
Yeah.
I don't know that one.
Comments. There's this, what's your name?
Monkeys are super smart.
Jane Goodall. I think Jane Goodall, this scientist from back in the day, I don't know if she's still alive, but she did like this legendary study where she lived with gorillas and taught them sign language, and some of them still learn sign language today. Like, them still know them, can still talk to you. Like, if them hungry, and them tell you.
I'm hungry now.
Like, yeah, you know what I mean? It's like, I feel like
that's racist. I think I can't do that anymore.
I don't think you're allowed to do that, and I don't think those are gorillas. I feel like it's like monkeys, which is different. I'm learning. Yeah. Like,
wait a minute, y'all learn. Come on, you look
no.
A monkey and a gorilla is two different things.
Yeah, but that's not how we get taught it though. Like we're taught
when
that they're
gorilla,
similar.
me learn King Kong.
Yeah, but a gorilla is actually an ape.
Oh yeah.
So
monkey,
apes and
ape,
monkeys are different.
Monkey, ape, and gorilla are 3 different things.
Yeah. So technically, we're apes.
Yeah.
Apes don't have tails. Monkeys have tails,
Yeah.
and them use them tail as part of.
And we're gorilla though.
Gorillas are also apes.
Okay.
So I believe we're close.
Yeah, we are the
closer
closest.
to gorilla.
Humans are the closest to monkeys. I think we share like almost identical
To gorillas.
chromosomes.
To gorillas. Because we're a classification of ape. We're like, the super ape,
I like that.
right?
We have the
Crazy.
strength.
Yeah, man, we have the strength. And you ever hear a gorilla knock them chest?
Yeah.
That sound insane still, innit? Sound like that.
Bro, honestly,
Like the
a
table.
gorilla, I walk it like, when a gorilla stand up, the shit look like a man.
Oh, for sure.
Like it have like the man chest, like
Yeah.
like the man chest, everything. When them like
And then we body up like, like, yo, so what you,
like a gorilla actually look gangster.
super gangster.
Like when you see like a gorilla like a walk, me I say, yo. Me don't feel like message, I know nobody can beat this up.
The long
Can't
arms
fight.
are crazy. So wild though. They're not as strong as we like to give them credit. We just can't beat them. But
Do you
like,
think gorilla strong?
it's strong. It's stronger than we are.
Do you think a lion can beat a gorilla?
Probably. Yeah.
Really?
Yep. I mean, it depends.
Does gorilla do they thump?
I don't know how gorillas fight,
Exactly. What them do? Slap, thump?
Do they comments? Like, do they?
Because I feel like a gorilla can. Yo, if a gorilla.
Yeah, for
thump you,
gorillas,
like-
bro.
if a gorilla square up like this,
I'm out.
if a gorilla goes to
They already have cause their arms are as long as their body.
yeah.
So imagine this brother can thump you from cross.
Say, hey boy.
Yeah. Crazy.
Like,
Crazy.
Simba doesn't stand a chance.
Not at all. Not at all.
Yo,
Not at all, bro.
Simba doesn't stand a chance, brother.
I mean, good thing they never have no gorilla in a Lion King, car. How come they never have no gorilla in a Lion King?
I still feel like the gorilla give me a more King of the Jungle vibe still. But gorilla is not really in a jungle, right? A gorilla is more of like a forest.
Forest type deal. I mean, lions are also not in jungles. I don't know why we gave lion King of the Jungle.
Where lions?
Lions are on like plains and savannas, and a jungle is more like a forest.
Yeah.
So the King of the Jungle, cat-wise, would technically have to be a tiger. I don't know why we give lions so much credit still, Tigers beat them in every aspect,
No, tiger can't beat lion.
A tiger beats a lion every time.
In a fight?
Every time. Every time.
Lion just look like a king.
Yeah, it's the main. The main kind of sell them have a luxurious type.
Yeah, them have like a like a designer cat.
Yeah, it's like,
Lion is more like a it look like royalty.
Yeah, it's like,
Honest
look on
to
this
God.
big thing where we can pet and take care of this big mane around its head. It's like,
Something about lion just look real like a.
But tigers
But lion
are.
never shave him beard, But lion shave him beard, it's over.
Yeah, man, it done. The whole image gone. But that's why cause the male lions do a lot of hunting, It's the woman them do all, cause them can't hunt with the mane. Their whole thing is like to be stealthy, and once them have the mane, that gone. So the woman them do all of the hunting.
So what the male lion really do?
The male lion just gets all the girl them and control them.
And so him not really do much.
He defends them. He defends the female lions from other male lions. And that's about it.
And if a tiger come to them, it's over for them?
Yeah, I mean, lions and tigers don't normally interact. They're not like in the same space. But I think if they were to interact, my money's on the tiger.
My money is on Jasmine Sullivan. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears.
I I would love to know which one of those would win, though. I feel like a bear would beat all of those.
I'm money on a bear.
Yeah, I feel like a
Because
polar
the bear can run. No, a bear, bear are the softest thing. I feel like a gorilla.
Bear?
Brother,
A gorilla over a bear?
Brother, a bear just no look. Me just no care what nobody say, brother.
I feel like the whole teddy bear concept is like downplaying what a bear is. Bro, a polar bear is like, a polar bear tall like that wall, you know. Polar bear is like 12 feet tall, you know.
That's the white one, them, right?
Yeah. They're the most deadly ones. We just don't interact with them. They're actually the worst ones. If you see a polar bear, you're dead.
No, because you can't catch me, brother.
Where you gonna run go? You know the ice, where you run go?
Oh, yeah. which mean, why would I out there so?
Why would you be out there?
Why would I even see me? Why must see me?
I don't know.
Cartoon really desensitized to some animal. Because to me, they look black and white one there to me soft.
Oh, the
polar bear. You look a black and white. The one from Kung Fu Panda. Panda.
Panda bear.
Panda them. Look a black and white one.
Yeah,
like
them one that kind of soft still. Them one that soft for real still. Pandas are weird though. Pandas are like, a panda don't make no sense to me, bro. Cause they're not like vegetable eaters only. They can eat anything, but they choose only to eat bamboo. And I don't like it. That just don't make no sense
them
to me.
just like that.
Yeah, but if you can't, all right. If you have the option for eat salmon, why you don't only eat bamboo?
We don't know why.
Like you can't eat anything.
Jay-Z give Beyonce bun.
Why? We don't. Fair.
Man just like what him like. Man,
Yeah,
a bamboo the man like.
It's weird. To me, it's weird behavior to have like this predator creature make like a conscious decision to be like a vegan. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm a vegan now. You know what I mean? Done with that. You see me? Don't eat meat now.
And I decide that.
And I decide that. Now we just eat. But panda, you're not going to fight a panda necessarily.
You know what? I can't see the purpose of it?
What?
A penguin.
So I watched a video about penguins the other day, and apparently they're terrible creatures. Like, apparently they're like horrible creatures.
What
Like
do you mean?
I don't even know if I can talk about how terrible penguins are, but apparently they're terrible. Like they abuse one another, and it's like some creatures.
Other?
Yeah, some creatures I'm learning are terrible creatures.
But they move in a pack.
Yeah, but there's a lot of foolishness going on in the pack.
Like a man will kick you off and left you.
Kick you off and left you, and people I get. You remember what people, but penguin I get assaulted by other penguin and
gang up,
and it's some craziness going on in the penguin world apparently. Like
you look disgusting,
bro. It's terrible. But I don't even know.
You study penguin and I say, yo, all right, me not like. Penguin.
Yeah, me not like penguin. Certain animals I study them and I don't like them anymore. Penguin is one of them. Dolphins are terrible.
Me say them dangerous.
They're dangerous and they're terrible. They're terrible. If dolphins were people, they would be terrible people.
You know what? Me no want nobody like compare me to or call me a walrus. Something about the name of a walrus just sound.
Walruses are also terrible.
What is a walrus though? Walruses sound big and fat.
They are big and fat. Walrus is like those big sea lions with the tusks.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
my granny used to tell me that all the time.
So
Say me need to stop the nyamming because I got big and sour like walrus.
Like
yeah, so I got big like walrus. So me just always just know say whatever walrus is, me not supposed to look like that.
You just don't want to be a walrus.
No, me I live my life to not be a walrus.
So I mean, walruses' purpose, well, not their purpose, but how they function is the bigger they are, is the more dominant they are. So a large size walrus is attractive to other female.
Walrus.
So the biggest walrus, we have all the walrus girl them. And literally every other walrus don't get no girl. It's kind of sad.
So them not come like sea. What them the name again?
Like seals. They're like seals, but with tusks. Them have the elephant tusk them in the front. But practically the same thing.
Well, these are animals we will never see.
No. I mean, you could see seals in California. I think there's like a spot It's like a marina. I think it's more up north. But there's like a spot where they every year them come right there. It's just like a bunch of them.
And just par.
And just par and just hang out. They have like a whole weird thing too, where it's like them forward out there, the beach out there, they give birth and whatever, and they start to feed their kids. And they feed their kids to the point where they get big enough that they should go out and swim. But some of them stay and like fight out the other kids. Like start feeding on like other mothers. It's weird. It's like a weird thing.
You just watch Beer Animal Planet, you know. This
Animal Planet.
This is a whole heap of Animal Planet, you know.
Beer. So okay, this was on. Remember me that I talked about a documentary with Obama.
Yeah.
That my seat pan.
Oh, see,
where I was like,
every animal.
Yeah, where I was like, yo, Obama really? Yo, me never see them something here before. It's like, yeah, man. It's like
These are crazy.
These
On
are
this
crazy.
episode of We Talk About Random Shit. People, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're out of here.